Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. What is the sum of 4006, 4055, 44004 and 444? So we write it, after that we add all the number 1. So 4006, 4055, 444, that is we add 9 0 5 2 5. So C is the right answer. Question number 2. In which number quotient is 23 and remainder is 7 when divided by 17? So first we multiply 23 with 17 and add 7. So question number 2, 23 into 17, that is 17 3 is a 51, 1 carry 5, 72 is a 34 plus 5 39, we add 7 with the number, we get 8 9 3, 398. So D is the right answer. Question number 3. How much should be added in 5618 and 3845 so that resultant is 12850? First we add these two numbers, after that we subtract the resulting number from 12850. So first we add these two, we get question number 3, that is 5618 845, we get 3649. After that we subtracting this number from 12850, we got 12850 9463 7833. So 3387. So D is the right answer. Question number 4. The value of 1 by 125 is, so we 1 by 125 divide 1, we get first we the point 10 over there, this is small number, so 0 0 100. This is also smaller than 125, so we have to put 10 over there, 0 1000 and 8 1000. So answer is 0.008. So 0.008. A is the right answer. Question number 5. The value of 5 minus first bracket 2 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 first bracket close plus 3 whole 1 by 2 minus 1 whole 1 by 4 is. So we write the expression, first 2 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 1 by 2 minus 1 1 by 4. So 5 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 2 minus 5 by 4, that's become 5 minus 4, 10 minus 3 plus 4, 14 minus 5 minus 7 by 4 plus 9 by 4. LCM 4, so 20 minus 7 plus 9, that is 22 by 4 or 11 by 2, that is 5 whole 1 by 2. So B is the right answer. Question number 6. The cost price of 10 chair and 15 tables is 15,535. What is the cost price of 8 chairs and 12 tables? If we closely watch the question, here is the ratio of chair and table is question number 6. First, chair, table, that is 10 is to 15, that is 2 is to 3. Here chair, table, that is 8 is to 12, that is 2 is to 3. So the ratio of chair and table are same. So we have to count only chair. So table is counted by automatically. So cost of 10 chair is 15,535. Cost of 1 chair is 535 by 10. Cost of 8 chair is 15,535 by 10 into 8. So five, 4, 5, 3, 107. We multiply it, we get 82412. So 12,428. So cost of 8 chair and 12 table is 12,428. So A is the right answer. Question number 7. The product of 3 number is 7,980, in which the product of 2 number is 228. What is the third number? So third number is 7. We divided this number by this, we get the result. So 7980 divided by 228, 71995, 35. So answer is 35. The third number is 35. So D is the right answer. Question number 8. If 35% of a number is 12 less than 50% of that number, then the number is. So difference in percentage is 50% minus 35%. So this is 12. So that is 15% equal to 12. 1% equal to 12 by 15, and number that is 100% equal to 12 by 15 into 100. So 5, 23, 4, 80. So the number is 80. D is the right answer. Question number 9. 16% complete a job in 14 days. How many days will 8% take to complete the job? So question number 9. 16% complete in 14 days. 1% complete in 14 into 16 days, and 8% complete in 14 into 16 by 8, that is 28 days. So D is the right answer. Question number 10. The ratio between length and breadth of a rectangle plot is 5:3 respectively, and its perimeter is 48 meter, what will be its area? So ratio of length and breadth is 5:3, that is let length be 5x and breadth be 3x. So perimeter is 2 into 5x plus 3x, that is 16x. According to question, perimeter is 48, so 16x equal to 48. So 16x equal to 48, x equal to 48 by 3, 16, that is 3. So x equal to 3. So length is 5 into 3, that is 15 meter, and breadth is 3 into 3, that is 9 meter. So area is length into breadth, that is 15 into 9, that is 15 into 9, that is 135 meter square. So D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.